Here is how you can silence Teams notifications on Android. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, you can open up the settings and tap on the notifications right there. And as long as you have the Teams app installed on your phone, you should be able to find it right there to be part of app notifications. So scroll through it and find the Teams. It's all sorted alphabetically, as you can see. And in there, you can decide if notifications are enabled or turned off fully. But most importantly, you can switch to the silent mode. And that means that the allow sound and vibration is not checked, and it's only going to deliver a silent notification. So if that is the thing that you wanted to do, this is where you can find it, and that's kind of how it works. But below, you also have notification categories, and you have some specific things. For example, if you want to only get notifications about calls or chats, you can keep those enabled, but anything else can be turned off, right? So that's something which you might specifically decide. And also, if you choose or click any of these specific things, let's say I click on calls, I have the ability to choose that only the calls notifications are going to be silent. So you have a very deep level of customization in here, because you can choose every single types of the thing and decide if it's going to be silent or not, right? So for example, I might still get chat notifications, but I decided that those are going to be silent, right? So you get to customize it on a very deep level, as I said, and you can in that way get the most out of it. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain how you can approach this and make it work. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end with me, and I will hopefully see you later in the future upload. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you then.